All right, guys, welcome back. Was this part 5? I don't know. Let's get some cam bearings out of here. Figure we'll get right into it today and not waste any time because that last video was kind of long. So we'll make this one short. We're gonna slam some cam bearings, take those main bearings out, maybe take some valves out of some heads. Let's get right into it. This is a cam bearing slammer. I got this off of Amazon for like 50 bucks. It's got an extension on it, but yeah, this is made for slamming cam bearings out of there. So we're gonna do the first one real quick. And it's very simple. I'll make sure you can see the bearing. So basically get you a dead blow hammer, slam them out of there. There's one. Here we go. There's one. Super simple. And yeah, see that one's worn a bit. Not too bad. I've seen a lot worse, but they are definitely worn and I'm gonna replace them. So let's get into it. We're just gonna go one by one. We're just gonna go through and do all of them real quick. It takes about 2 minutes. Number 2 out. Let's get number 3. Number 3's out. Number 3. 4's out. There's 5. Simple as that, you guys. Very, very easy process. Okay, now I like to inspect these for any damage as well. There is normal wear. There's always going to be normal wear, but I like to look for big scratches and gouges and stuff like that, just to make sure there was no major oiling issues or dirt in the engine or anything like that. So yeah, definitely inspect all of those as you pull them out, just as a precaution. That way, if something was wrong inside this engine, you can identify it and then fix it. All right, so I have the normal C-clamp style valve spring compressor, and I've seen those ones that bolt here and you can do 2 at one time, but I've heard horror stories about those. So I picked up this thing. It's just an aluminum chunk with a little trunnion in it, and it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to test it out today. It has a spot so you can just put a 3/8 inch ratchet in there, and let me show you how it works real quick. So you bolt it in just like a rocker arm. Uh-oh, throw the bolt in there. Bolt it in just like that. And what you do, so yeah, this thing was $13 on Amazon. Very good price for what it is. I like it a lot. So let's take a valve out, or let's take some keepers out. I'm going to leave the valves in for now, just until I get a place to put them. So get you a magnet. Hope you guys can see this. There's one keeper out. There's the other one. Just like that. Now you can pop that spring off, pull the valve out, replace the seal, and then reassemble. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Pick you one up. Amazon, $13. Anyways, next video we'll be prepping these heads for the machine shop, which would be taking the valves out, taking the seals off, taking all the plugs out. I think I got to do some stud removal on these. Same thing with the block. We're gonna be taking all the oil galley plugs out, coolant plug, the sensor, and the bearings, and just everything, getting it ready for the machine shop. And while it's at the machine shop, we're gonna be cleaning these pistons up, and I'll show you how I do that. And then I got some trunnion upgrades for these rocker arms, which we'll throw those in as well while those are at the machine shop. It's pretty much just a bearing replacement for these. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Follow along for the next video. Hopefully these videos are helping you guys. And as always, LS swap everything.